Welcome to Geography class, GCSE Economic Development in the UK. Economic development in the UK. Changes in the economy of the UK are affecting employment patterns and having impacts on the environment. The UK's economy is changing from manufacturing to services. The UK's economy used to be based on manufacturing. However, since the 1960s, manufacturing has declined, and tertiary and quaternary industries have grown. In 2017, the industries employed 83% of the UK's workforce, and this proportion is increasing. Important industries include services, finance, information technology, and research. Services, example retail and entertainment. Retail employs about 4 million people in the UK. Finance, the UK and especially the City of London is home to many global financial institutions. Some, like HSBC, have their global headquarters in the UK. Information technology. Over 670,000 people work in IT for companies like IBM and Microsoft. Research. Research and development is increasing in the UK, making use of the UK's skilled university graduates. In 2016, over £33 billion was spent on research and development in the UK. Science and business parks are important in the UK. Culinary industries are increasingly found in science parks or business parks on the outskirts of city near to housings and good transport links, example motorways and airports, near universities so that research businesses in science parks can work with university researchers. The number of science and business parks has grown because there is a large and growing demand for high tech products. Science parks can help develop new technologies for these products. The UK has a high number of respected research universities for businesses on science parks to form links with clusters of related businesses in one place can boost each other. Thank you for watching and like, subscribe and share.